Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Safe Search on and off on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on Screen Time. In the Screen Time settings, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Switch on the toggle at the top of the page to the right of Content and Privacy Restrictions. It will be green when switched on. Then tap Content Restrictions. Choose Web Content. Then tap on Limit Adult Websites. You also have the option to only allow pre-approved websites to be viewed. To do this, tap Allowed Websites. There will be a list of websites that are allowed by default. You can tap Add Website at the bottom and fill in the website URL to add more allowed websites. If you want to remove a website from the allowed websites, then slide your finger from right to left on the website that you would like to remove. You will see that it says delete and then disappears. Tap Limit Adult Websites to limit all adult-related content. There may be a list of pre-approved websites here too. These will always be allowed. You can remove them by sliding your finger from right to left on the website that you would like to remove. To add a website to the Always Allowed list, tap Add Website at the bottom of the page and fill in the website URL. There is also a Never Allow section. If you add a website here, it will never be allowed to be accessed. To add a website to the Never Allow list, just tap Add Website under the Never Allow heading and enter the website URL. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.